Hello everyone, and welcome to week 2 of COM151. I'm Daniel Voss, your instructor, and I just finished grading your work from week 1, and great job. I was really impressed by the quality of your work and how meticulous so many of you were, and I really enjoyed getting to get to know a little bit more about you from your discussion forum posts. So speaking of discussion forum posts, just a friendly reminder that your main posts are due on Wednesday and your 2 replies are due on Friday. Make sure that when you make your 2 replies, actually say something worthwhile in them. Might stretch you a little bit to do that, but that's what I expect. I don't want to see any replies that don't have any text in them. Secondly, there's this thing each week called a learning survey, and this is actually an assignment that you'll have each week that gives you an opportunity to reflect on what you've been learning that week, and it is a graded assignment. It's required. It counts as part of your participation grade. The issue is that only one person did the learning survey in week 1. I'm not sure exactly why that was, but that's a problem. So this week, make sure that you do the learning survey. It is a graded assignment. It is a required assignment. The good news is that it's a pass-fail assignment. I'm not going to grade you necessarily on what you say in the survey, but that you complete the survey and that you reflect on the learning process and how it's going. And again, that counts as part of your participation grade. Thirdly, as you complete your hands-on assignments, pay attention to the file names. Thank you to those of you who followed the directions in the textbook very closely and included your last name as part of the file name. That's going to be something that you'll probably have to do every week. So just that's a huge help to me, and it was actually part of the grading rubric this week. To include, I checked to make sure you included the last name in your file name, and if you didn't, then you lost a point. Speaking of grading rubrics, I will be relying on grading rubrics as I grade your hands-on assignments. That way, everyone is graded fairly, according to the same standard, and you can see what the standard is. So one of the things I did just now was to upload a copy of the grading rubric for this week's hands-on assignment. So I encourage you to download that and take a look at it as you start working on your hands-on assignment for this week. Speaking of this week's hands-on assignment, it requires you to use the student resources CD or DVD that came with your textbook. So hopefully you have that. If you have an issue with that, please let me know, but unless I hear differently from you, I will assume that you have the textbook and your student resources disc. Let me know well ahead of time if there's any issues there. So I hope you all enjoyed learning about chocolate museums, and who knows, maybe if we could do a class field trip to Chocolate Museum in Canada or something like that. Just kidding, but I hope you all got a kick out of that. So go forth and conquer this week. Appreciate you all, and let me know if you have any questions.